Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss quadruple bonding in metal complexes. So, up to the hydrocarbon chemistry or organic chemistry, we learned the carbon-carbon single, double, and triple bond. So, in hydrocarbons. So, another question is why this carbon cannot develop the four bond with another carbon. So, this is the question. You know that if carbon single bond, that means it has the one sigma bond between these two carbon. If carbon double bond, that means one pi and one sigma, while carbon triple nothing but the one sigma and two pi bonds. So their parameters are given. For carbon single bond, it is 1.54 angstrom length, 1.34 angstrom for carbon double bond, and 1.20 is for the carbon triple bond. Now this type of the compounds cannot be exist in the what nature particularly. So in generally what, so two p atomic orbitals are overlap, it will be develop the pi bonds. So in case of a carbon triple bond, the valence, particularly valency of carbon is always 4. So one single bond and one triple bond, that indicates that what, so this px py orbitals develop the pi bond, pz develop the sigma bond, and 2s orbital and 1s of a hydrogen, say example, it will develop the single bond. So basically it is a simple bonding of particularly for acetylene. Now we will look toward in metal cluster, there are the four bonds are exist in some complexes, and that will be called as a quadruple bonding. So that this is the molecular orbital diagram of 2s and 2p orbital containing system. So say example oxygen, nitrogen, okay. So in that case this is what 2pz orbital, this is 2px and 2py. So this is diagram up to the 3 bond order, okay. And now the bond order can be find out with the help of this this equation, that is bond order is equal to half of electrons in bonding minus electrons in anti-bonding orbital, okay. And now particularly you know that if whenever the bond order is 1, that indicates that it is a single bond. If bond order is 2, it is a double bond. If it is 3, it will be a triple bond, okay. Now we will look to the what we are interested to, how this metal quadruple bond is exist now, and best examples are what, rhenium complex, rhenium halide complexes, okay. Now in that case particularly here, so this is the actual MO diagram of quadruple bonded systems. Here this is the bonding molecular orbital, and this is what anti-bonding molecular orbital. So here first of all sigma bonding, pi bonding, and del bonding. So and later on anti-bonding zone consists of del star, pi star, and sigma star. So in that case also bonding can be, or bond order can be find out with the help of the same equation, that is half of electrons in BMO minus electrons in what, anti-bonding. The strength of what the bond is depends upon the stability and energy, sigma, pi, sigma first, then pi, and then what, del. So this is actually what the strength of what bond particularly in this molecule. Now whenever we have this type of the system, now you know that in case of what this metal four bonds, particularly here we can see that there are what, four bonds are there. First sigma bond, this is called as a sigma bond. This is the pi bonds, particularly there are two pi bonds and one is a delta bond. So particularly here there are four bonds are there, and such kind of complexes are called as a quadruply bonded complexes. Now we will see the what, first of all the mechanism, that means how, which orbitals are participated to make that such type of the bonding. You know that metal sigma bonds are formed by the overlapping of two atomic orbitals of two metal ion, like dz square and dz square, while two pi bonds are formed by the overlapping of dzxz, dxz, dyz, and dyz, okay. This is what the pi bonds. Now later on we have the delta bond. Importantly, this is formed by the dxy and dxy orbital, okay. And finally this metal ligand bond is formed by the overlapping of x square minus y square. So how to find out this quadruple bonding with respect to particularly here in such complexes? Now with the example of this quadruple bonded system. First example is here, Re2Cl8 2 negative ion. So there are some steps. So there are some steps to find out the quadruple bond. Very simple. And first of all, what for any what such kind of the complexes, we have to first find out the oxidation state. Suppose this is an X is an oxidation state of what rhenium ion. Okay, if the rhenium is given, and there are two rheniums are there, so that's why we have to sum the two oxidation state. Then valence electron of the central metal atom. Okay, and we have to just reduce whatever the oxidation state which is obtained in the first step. Okay, so this is what valence electron minus what X, you will get the Y. So whatever Y, they are just fill in the what MO diagram. Okay, and then find out the bond order. So say example for the Re2Cl8 2 negative ion, this is actually what the oxidation state. Here twice X plus 8 into what minus 1 for chlorine, and complex have minus 2 charge. So twice X plus minus 8 is equal to minus 2. So here X is equal to what 6 by 2, that means plus 3. So plus 3 is the oxidation state of what each rhenium ion. So there are two rhenium, that's why plus 6 will be the oxidation state of what 2 rhenium. Now the valence electron configuration of what rhenium is D5s2, that is 7 electron for each rhenium, and for 2 rhenium it will be a 14. So this is what your electrons 14, and 14 will be reduces by what the oxidation number, that is 14 minus 6 is equal to 8 electrons. So that means your final answer will be what 8. And now you have to just add that 8 electron, fill that 8 electron in this MO diagram of the quadruply bonded system. So here sigma 2, pi will be 4, del will be what 2. Now you know that as per the Hand's rule, as per the above principle, okay, as per the what Pauli exclusion principle, we have to apply all these three rules and we can fill up the electron. Now you know that 8 electrons are in a bonding and 0 electrons are in antibonding, so we can find out the bond order like this fashion. So bond order is equal to what half of electrons in BMO minus electrons in ABMO. So that will be equivalent to what 1 by 2 into 8 minus 0 is equals to what 4. So finally you will get this answer like this one. So it's a diamagnetic complexes, and final electronic configuration, that is molecular electronic configuration for Re2Cl8 2 negative ion will be sigma 2, pi 4, del 2 and del star. This is the final. Now we have same example OS2Cl8 2 negative ion. First find out the oxidation state is a plus 3 for each osmium and plus 6 for what both. Then valence electron of our osmiums are what 8 electrons, so that means total are 16. So 16 minus 6, it becomes a 10. So you can fill the 10 electron in the MO diagram and you will get the answer, that is a triple bond is present in between this osmium. Electronic configuration will be sigma 2, pi 4 and del 2 and del star 2. Another example is MO2Cl8 4 negative ion. Same way, first find out the oxidation state, then central metal electrons, valence electrons, and just reduce that electron, particularly that is oxidation number. Okay, so from the central metal ion, and finally fill up the electrons now. Likewise, so MO2Cl8 4 negative ion, the electronic configuration will be sigma 2, pi 4, del 2 and del star 0. So again quadruple bond is exist in this system. So we will have some more example for the this complexes. Okay, so these are the three complexes of molybdenum. MO2, then MO2 what SO4 3 negative, MO2 SO4 4 negative, and lastly what di negative. So 3 negative, 4 negative and di negative. So in these three complexes the oxidation number is vary. In first case the molybdenum oxidation state is 2.5, in this case it is a 2, it is what 3 now. For both molybdenum it will be plus 5, it will be plus 4, it will be plus 6. And you know that for each molybdenum the electrons are what 6 electron, that is 2 molybdenum having 12 electron. So 12 minus 5, 12 minus 4, 12 minus 6, and based on that we will get the total number. Here the 7 electron, 8 electron, and what lastly what the 6 electron, 7, 8 and 6. So just fill the electron in the MO diagram. So you will get sigma 2, pi 4, del 1, sigma 2, pi 4 and del 2, and lastly sigma 2, pi 4. So here with respect to that we can find out the bond order. So for first complex it is 3.5, for second complex it is a 4, and for third complex it is a 3 now. That means your second complex, that is MO2SO4 4 time 4 negative, is an quadruply bonded complex. Okay. Later on we have the another example. This is a rhenium complex Re2Cl4 PMe2PH4 time neutral complex, then plus charge, and then finally plus 2 charge. These are the three complexes. Okay. This is the previous CSR question also. And in that complex, what first find out the same, we have to apply the same condition like first oxidation state, then oxidation state number will be reduced from the total valence electron, and then whatever number will be appear should be filled in MO diagram. Okay, and here the bond order will be obtained like 3, 3.5 and 4. Similarly we have the example Re2Cl9 negative, Re2Cl9 2 negative, and TCCl8 3 negative. You can also apply the same concept and you can find out the bond order. Very simple and very interesting type of topic. Another example W2Cl4 and PR3 4 times. Again the quadruple bond is exist in this complex. So this is actually what the energy level diagrams particularly for the quadruply bonded system. Okay. So thank you for watching this lecture. So hope you are enjoying this and stay connected, stay safe. Thank you.